Good day, Dr. Ryan. I am Marky C from BSCPE 41. Today I am going to demonstrate and simulate SAP 1 using circuit verse and explain its circuit components. Program counter is one of the most important parts of the central processor unit or CPU architecture of a computer. It is a register that records the memory location of the subsequent instruction that needs to be retrieved and carried out. The program counter, which points to the following instruction in the program, is incremented after each instruction fetch as the CPU processes instructions sequentially. Accumulator is used to store intermediate results of the computations and is fundamental part of the arithmetic logic unit within the CPU. During arithmetic and logic operations, the accumulator serves as a temporary storage location for intermediate results. Input and memory address register. The input component is a more general term and often refers to devices or mechanisms that allow the computer to receive external data. The information gathered from input devices might need to be kept in memory in order to be processed. The memory address register and input components are integral parts of the system responsible for managing the interaction between the CPU and memory. Adder subtractor. An adder subtractor is a digital circuit that performs the addition and subtraction of binary numbers. It's a fundamental component in the arithmetic logic unit of a computer processor. The adder subtractor adds two binary numbers when it is in addition mode. The carry from the preceding lower order bit and each bit of the binary numbers are added together. Also, the adder subtractor may do binary subtraction in the subtraction mode. Subtraction is commonly performed by adding the 2's complement of the integer to be removed. 16 by 8 random access memory. It refers to a type of memory storage where there are 16 address lines and each address corresponds to 8 bits of data. The 16 address lines indicates that the RAM has the capability to address 2 raised to 16 or 65,536 different memory locations. Each unique combination of values on the 16 address line selects a specific location in the memory. The 8 bits of data at each of the 65,536 memory locations, there is storage for 8 bits of data, which means that each memory location can store a binary number with 8 digits, zeros, and ones representing 1 byte of information. B register. The SAP1 architecture includes an accumulator or A register and a B register. The B register holds one of the operands for arithmetic operations. During an addition or subtraction operation, data from the memory is loaded into the B register and the result is stored in the accumulator. Instruction register. It is a critical component within the CPU of a computer. It is a register that, during the machine cycle's instruction fetch phase, momentarily stores the current instruction that was retrieved from memory. The CPU then decodes and executes the instruction that was encoded in the instruction register. Output register. An output register in the context of computer architecture is a register that briefly keeps the result or output of a computation or operation before it is moved to another area of the system. Within the central processing unit, registers are compact, fast access storage areas that enable easy access to data during processing. Controller or sequencer. One element that is essential to managing the flow of functions within the central processor unit is a sequencer. The sequencer, sometimes referred to as an instruction sequencer or control unit, is in charge of coordinating the proper execution of instructions. The sequencer ensures that instructions are fetched from memory in the correct order and sequence. It coordinates the flow of control from one instruction to the next. Binary display. A binary display is a Graphic that uses the binary number system to represent data. Information is represented in the binary system using just the two digits 0 and 1, which are also known as bits. Binary displays come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are frequently seen in digital systems, electronic gadgets, and educational resources. LED displays are a popular way to visually represent binary information. Each LED can represent a binary digit, and multiple LEDs are arranged to display binary numbers. For example, a 4-bit binary display might have 4 LEDs, and the combination of lit and unlit LEDs represent a specific binary value. To build the SAP 1 computer, circuit diagrams were designed for each component. Circuit diagram was designed and simulated with CircuitVerse, a tool for designing and simulating logic circuits. The instruction set of a computer are the basic operations it can perform. The load operation is load data from memory to the accumulator. The add operation, add data from memory to value in the accumulator. The subtract operation, subtract data from memory from value in the accumulator. The output operation, load data from accumulator to the output register. And halt operation, stop processing.